Good evening, grinders. Welcome to another daily episode of The Grind. Let's get right to it. So let's check the scoreboards. If you're new to us, the scoreboards are the major indexes. And right here, we can see all four are bloody red. So it already tells you what kind of day we had in the market today. Red equals opportunity. We ride it up from the lows. We take profits. We wait for it to fall back down, then we rinse and repeat and put that money back in the market. So we're not scared of pullbacks like this, and this isn't really anything too major. We have 2 red days after the market has just been humming and just going up, 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 up. So if you can't stomach this, I don't know what to tell you. But let's dive in. S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Dow all down about 0.3%. Russell took most of the hit today, down a little less than 1% for the day. Let's go a little bit of market news. The fun stuff first. Instagram. So Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, announced Instagram has 3 billion monthly active users. Billion, not million. They are now a part of an exclusive club with Facebook and WhatsApp for 3 billion monthly active users club. So congratulations to Mark Zuckerberg. Moving on, NVDA and Alibaba partnership. So NVIDIA is joining Alibaba to integrate its tools for physical AI such as robotic and self-driving cars. BABA, B-A-B-A, which is the ticker symbol for Alibaba, will offer NVIDIA's physical AI software stack, which can construct 3D replicas of real-world environments to generate synthetic data with which AI models can be trained for robotics, self-driving vehicles, or smart spaces like factories and warehouses. Another update on the TikTok deal, and this is according to NBC News. There's a potential signing of the TikTok deal tomorrow. Once signed, TikTok's U.S. operations would be run by a new joint venture company. Now, ByteDance, TikTok's current China-based owner, will hold less than 20% of the stock of the new company. And Friday, we're going to be looking for new data on inflation. This is for the month of August. This is key inflation data that the Fed uses to make their policy decisions. So we want to be mindful of that because it can move the market. All right, let's look at some individual companies. We spoke on news about NVIDIA, and NVIDIA is down a little less than 1% for the day. Amazon down 0.2% for the day. Nothing too bad. But we have been screaming that Amazon is a price that you should consider buying. Our target was $225. It is $5 less than that at $220. So again, we cannot emphasize anymore. We believe Amazon is a good buy here, especially if you don't have any shares. Now, if you've been somebody that's been in since 160 or so, I don't blame you for adding on here. I believe we can take this stock a lot higher. It is still the leader in cloud, even though it doesn't necessarily look like it with all the information and the deals and everything that's going on, especially with Oracle and its deal with OpenAI. But you have Prime Day coming up. The retailers have been signaling this shopping season may not be as lucrative. I saw some research or article on hiring, and hiring is down compared to prior years for the holiday season. But we do know people are going to shop, and they're going to shop on Amazon for Prime Day. So again, Amazon. Palantir down less than 2% today, so it took a big hit today. But when we look out, it's up shy of 7% past 5 days and up 13% the past month. Palantir has been running pretty hot for us recently. Uber's pretty much flat for the day. Nothing too exciting there. DraftKings down 0.75% for the day. This is another one. We believe here, if you don't have any shares, long term, this is a decent buy. at its current share price. QQQ, it is the ETF that tracks the NASDAQ. If the NASDAQ's down, the QQQ more than likely is going to be down, which it is. And Palo Alto. We actually made some money off of Palo Alto on the options contract. We are holding, I believe, 4 contracts in total, and we sold out of everything but one contract now. We're holding that long term as we have that contract out till 2027, January 2027. So we're going to hold that last contract and let it ride. All right, and there's one more company I want to talk to you about. We went over all the companies we have options in. We don't have an option in Meta, but we are looking at Meta really hard right now. Our target price is $750. It hit as low as $752, $53 today. This week, it hit as low as $751, $53. I know in the past month it's hit below $750. It was the low as $726. We just weren't ready to get into play for Meta because it is expensive stock. Currently sitting at $760.66. But we're waiting for that $750 if it can hit, and we're going to take advantage of that share price. And it is our target price for multiple reasons. If you don't want to know why we love Meta at $750, join the Patreon so you can get all of our research and you can see real time when we invest. All right, close out today. Have a wonderful evening.